It's got training wheels too, so I can drink.
That's about your size, isn't it?
I was gonna say it's about
I
your
can drink and drive.
And you won't fall too far.
Right, right. Okay, well, I'm gonna go look out the.
Hey, there's these high dollar beanie babies.
Yeah, I know. Woo. Shares. Yeah, because I told Cher, I said, this box is loaded.
No, just yesterday or somewhere. Was it yesterday? As Scott calls him.
Holly Hobby.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's Rocky Top Picker. If you want to know who this fine-looking gentleman is right here, this is Scott.
And here she comes.
Then that's what it is.
Christina.
Hi.
And our friend KJ that's running from the camera.
KJ, Trading Post Pickers, we're tag teaming it today, guys.
Yes.
Tag teaming yard sale.
Oh, you know what I need while we're standing here real quick? Would you take a picture of the three of us so I can send it to
Sure.
Will?
And then this is Ben, Rocky Top Picker. We're recording each other.
Thanks.
So everybody, if you haven't done so, please go to his page and subscribe. Show him some support. Oh, so he's taking a picture of us here.
For Will, yeah. Smile, Will!
There you go, huh?
Thank you.
Yeah, go and support him. Did you get your second video out yet?
I got to upload it today.
Okay.
I had to download it last night. So.
He's got one video out, putting his second one out. Just started, so he could use some love.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Oh, that's all she goes after now.
Yeah, I swear.
Set of 4 glasses.
I'm sorry?
Those are the Holly Lobby. Is that what they're called?
The purple glasses?
She doesn't know.
Holly Lobby, what is it?
Holly Lolly.
Holly Lobby.
No,
Yes.
Holly Hobby. Holly Hobby.
Holly Hobby.
I call it Holly Lobby too, so I got you.
It's too early in the morning.
I'm thinking of the
Don't be
store.
confused with Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby.
All right, just got Santa Claus.
I like them if they were sealed.
Morning.
Raj and I did.
Good morning.
Morning.
We've got deals going on today.
We like deals.
I like deals.
Me too. All the yard sale stuff inside is half price.
Okay.
Do you know what I like better than deals?
What? Free.
Biscuits and gravy.
Oh, biscuits.
You got any biscuits and gravy?
No, and tomato this morning.
That sounds just as good.
I forgot my glasses.
I got an extra one.
Oh, here. Right.
These are some nice hats. Not that one.
Fortunately, I brought ours.
That's the last state.
We share.
We do now.
A&M.
Snapback.
That one, that's a pretty one.
Brothers and Sons.
It's still new. Titans.
Yeah.
This is A&M. You like the Titans?
Just, I like whatever sells, brother.
Exactly. I'm gonna go. These are still new with tags too. I'm just gonna go with these two. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can do a thing for all of them.
Yeah.
How many you got there?
3, 4, 5.
There's 7. So it'll be 21. Would you make a deal if I buy all the hats?
$18.
Okay, I'll do that. Oh, I didn't even see that box. Dang it.
Oh, yeah. Come here, man.
That's the special ones.
Yeah. No, these are nice.
Look at that Hershey's, dude.
Wow.
He's bought hats and people's given him hats over the years, and he has I don't know how many coats he had for them. And,
Silverado, Chevrolet.
he only wears certain ones, you
I
know.
got to
And
have mine at this.
The mesh back, yeah.
My head sweats back.
This one I just wore today, but I have a one that has mesh. I like those much better. Mine's similar to yours. It's like the desert camo type.
Can't believe my battery's dead. I thought I charged it. I had it charged last
oh
night.
no!
Yeah, I had it on the charger.
Will one of his batteries fit yours?
Yeah.
What GoPro number are you
Good.
using?
Okay, now oh, it looks like Rogers.
Okay, I'll set these over here away from his.
What do you have on your silverware?
$50.
I have no idea what I.
Yeah, we'll split those hats up when we get in there. Okay.
Well, the few pieces that we use, but there's a lot of it.
Right. Yeah. Right.
And I haven't.
That's ice maker.
Ice maker, okay.
I tried to.
We had to get a new refrigerator leaking.
Oh,
Ice maker.
I got you.
Then it won't fit the one I got.
Uh-oh.
See these? Oh.
It's a wall decor piece.
Yeah.
Casey was like, good, that's probably $50 right there.
She can buy in her booth. The big old ducks. Morning. Wow. Christina's gonna be here for hours.
You pack a lunch?
I'll come back and pick her up. A lot of stuff in here. Check this out. This is as much as the warehouse we were in, only this is actually organized. Hats. Oh yeah. I'll get that one.
You see any hats that say Key West on the nose?
Ben, do you clean hat?
Yeah.
Here. Quarter. I think it's quarter.
Shoot, buddy, that was right.
That's why I say, do you clean
I
hats?
don't know that I can get that clean, my friend.
Man, look how old it is. Got the old foam in it.
Yeah, it's foam back, and I don't know if I can get that clean.
For a quarter though, and you take a chance and do it.
Yeah. Interesting. Not really.
That's one of those that you can't say no to.
That's true.
That's why I am. I was like, it's just a quarter. I can take a chance. That one yard sale we went to not too long ago, everything there was a quarter. God, it was crazy.
Pick up Tupperware. I heard they're going out of business.
Oh, really? Commonwealth will be happy about that. Well, not happy, but he'll be good about it. Almost ways. KJ will come over here and Christina. KJ, there's a little bit of jewelry up here. I guess some jewelry.
You see them.
Faucets and stuff. Pfizer.
$5.
Still sealed.
Still see 'em.
Oh man, that was only half price. That TV. I picked the wrong path to go walking behind this guy. He's gonna grab everything before I have a chance to.
What?
Tell us about it.
They're Italian.
They can't be that old because there's 4 of them. Well, they can be, but stay tuned to see if she gets this. Man, we was at this place yesterday. They had a couple pistols, couple rifles.
Inflation hose and the blow down hose.
Wait, you might.
Might need it. Okay, I'll take a look at it. Thank you.
Just might need it.
I'm gonna put it all right. Excuse me.
this Franciscan.
Ooh.
It is Franciscan, isn't it? Nope.
Doesn't look old enough now.
CPAP. Can't sell those on eBay.
No, but
Hard out the tubes.
were you Navy, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you for your service.
21 years.
Thank you.
There's a doctor here. He's the one that's got that happen. How much is CPAP? What was the one you saw? One of these belonged to me. The one that belonged to my wife. She passed away.
No, I'm sorry.
It's which, but I have since decided I better go back on it. So they issued me another one.
Okay.
$20.
Cover. Each? Or total? Okay.
Each, yeah.
Replacements.
I may do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know roughly how many hours you have on these? No?
Not many, because
Okay.
we just gave up.
Right. Whew, I guess gotta chill. Dang, I got excited for Naki.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
I didn't know I was out with a celebrity today.
I know. You gotta go out and get recognized with your shoes.
Well, that and I think your family used to go to Greenwood. Because you set up that.
Yeah.
I'm in charge of the vendors there.
Okay. Has this been used or is it?
I get excited. I saw that golf bag and I said Nike Golf. I thought that was a golf club's Nike.
That was Megan's. She dropped off like
But the bag?
She dropped it off last night. I had no idea.
Low price. I don't like trying to get into that stuff too much. I wish I'd learned tools. There's Ben trying to find us a yard sale. Oh yeah, he's cussing them. Cassette player. Yeah. And then meet in the middle. And then you can throw elbows. Christina's upset because Ben's buying everything that she wants.
He went to the radio first, so where do I go?
You better hurry up and look fast. Oh wow. I wonder how old this one is. I'll pass. Too big for me, even though Christina buys big stuff. Hey, look, Billy beers.
I know, that's what I was going for.
Are they still full?
Yeah.
Billy beers.
Oh, dude, those bring some money.
She's smiling. She's like, I got here before you.
Yep.
Painted you.
Look, she's eyeballing. She's giving me a stink eye, dude.
I got them. Before this.
You can't sell them though, because there's alcohol. You can't sell them on eBay.
That's right.
He's sucker. He's got you distracted so he can look elsewhere. Yeah, yeah. Hey, can you can probably sell some Billy beer down in your booth, can you? It's right there. Somebody will buy it. Put that in your booth.
You guys don't know how much they want for all this crap.
Okay, so here's what we got so far. We got a department store roll of wrapping paper. It's a British Monopoly from '84, I think. Blood pressure monitor, and then she got silverware, of course. But that roll of wrapping paper, you can see how thick it is. And probably get $100 out of it. I'm gonna make more on that wrapping paper than you're gonna make on all that.
It's not the Parker Brothers.
No, it's British. She's still looking. Until that lady gets our money, she's still gonna look. Yeah, they're GoPros.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are you doing with them?
We basically film what we find at yard sales, and we do YouTube channels.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, how fun!
Yeah.
Okay.
That way, if we ever do find anything good, we got proof that we found it.
Okay.
But
That. You're like, we got it at a yard sale.
a lot of people like watching people go out finding things, and they'll be quick to tell you, oh, you should have picked this up. And then we have other videos showing where we sold it.
When we started, we had
Yeah, we're about like halfway
I
done
wish.
now, but
And then we have videos where we sell things too. So. Oh, look at this.
Look at that.
Yeah. Beats. Wow, that might be a good one. You might want to look that one up. $100 for those shoes. Woo.
Of course, all long range precision. So we ask that you not touch it unless you're.
Yeah,
you
I
know,
totally
but,
understand.
Yes, but you're welcome to film or look, or I guess whatever if you had to. But this is a new scope that has been put on, and we zeroed it in, and it didn't work out. So we had to take it off, and there'll be a new scope on as soon as we get something else.
Okay.
He said he wants to sell his old one before he gets a new one, so we'll see what happens.
Nothing set in price, so if you find something, just let me know.
Okie dokie. You got any like video games or anything like that? Consoles? Old vintage toys?
I've had a mixture of different video games.
Yep. All right.
There's some in there.
Beat you to it, man. Oh.
It is.
Yeah, beat you to it. PSA fan here. Yeah. We can split them if you want, I don't care.
Are the price tags on it what you're selling for? No. Okay. What do you want for this? It is. I'll take it. I'll use it. Oh, I got you. One hold them. I'm coming through, y'all.
Thanks for the warning.
You're welcome.
That's an
There's
expensive
all
box.
kinds of lids in here, Christina, for your.
Well, don't take all them, Scott.
Phew.
Oh, uh-oh.
Phew. Here's what we'll do. We'll just put them in a bag and we'll randomly draw them out and we'll split them that way.
All right.
Well, $30 to it? I can do 30, but yeah, I mean, that's fine. Okay.
I owe you 8.
Yeah, if not, it's no big deal. Let me see if there's anything else first, because I know she's looking.
The boxes right over here.
Oh, that was like brand new.
Yeah.
They're
Look at that.
I just bought a couple of those.
what sizes?
Okay.
I don't know what that's for.
For CBs, I think.
Is it?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, yeah, it is.
For his mama. Already paid, already got it shipped and stuff.
Ooh.
So if we would have saw that one, I would have bought her that one and not probably.
Yeah, KJ will sell that in her store. Yeah. KJ, you want that?
$5. Hey, look, a chair for me. I used to sell these at Danner's when I worked there.
Yeah. Not much. My shirt's wet. I got some boob sweat going on. You need to throw elbows on him.
Hi, guys. How are you? Good. Glad you can make it. I haven't seen you in a long time. It's been a kid's age.
Oops, sorry. Sorry about that.
You got a brown. There's a brownie.
Yeah. Close. Not my forte. You see these? They're new. No, don't yell at me.
I haven't made this up today. I'm not sure if there's any up through here. I know Cedar Creek Daisy's had them. No.
He goes that way, I go this way.
It's never been in an accident. It works. And my child is addicted. And so he had it for the first 4 years.
Good.
That orange tap.
Oh my God, look at that. Wow.
What is it?
Puzzle, I think.
Well, that'd take you forever.
They don't go to this.
Ridiculous puzzle.
Okay.
I hear you.
Drink if you don't already.
Wouldn't it though?
Oh, we just had one of those.
Yeah, and that's the one that canceled on.
So what?
Canceled on it.
Here.
Oh!
Oh, look at little doggy. Wes Walker. Tim Tebow. Decker. John Lynch. How much for your jerseys? Christina's got to pick up the pace. Ben's like beating her to everything. Oh, that's cool, dude.
Yeah, I've got a Caesar and I think maybe box in there.
How much you want for your shoes?
I think those were my brothers. He was asking like 20 a pair.
What you got on these, brother?
Some of those are a steal. I mean, look at that.
Yeah, these are nice.
I wish those were my size.
Yeah.
What you got on these?
Probably do 10 a piece on them.
That is cool.
I would have no idea.
5 a piece.
That is cool. Yeah, those are cool.
And the funny thing is, I picked that up. My son, I took him to a yard sale like 2 years ago.
Are they chalkware or what are they?
They're pretty.
Plastic?
Here.
They're kind of heavy though.
Kind of heavy.
Key West, I went all the way.
But my son was like, he was trying to make a deal with these people, and I was like, so I really don't even want them. So
It's not bronze. Yeah, that's, I don't know what that is.
It's like a plastic mold. 10 a piece is the best you can do on them.
I'm probably losing money.
Okay.
I mean, because I was telling that story, my son made a deal, and I don't remember what it even was, but he was like, would you do 5 West? So I'm like, oh, I don't even want these, son. But he made the deal, and I'm like, all right, I'll take them.
How much on your comic books here?
I didn't even see those.
I
Dang.
think $1 a piece on the comics. There's some kind of war one there. I don't know how many is there. 2, 4, 5.
What are some of the names I can tell you if they're good ones or not?
Alpha Flight with the Hulk, both marble.
If you see any like first appearances, that's usually the good ones.
How do you know what's the first edition? 'Cause I don't
Not first edition, first appearance. Like if you have like the first appearance of Hulk or the first appearance, it's usually somebody like there's a Punisher one I think that has the or there's a Spider-Man with the first appearance of Punisher. It's the first comic the Punisher was ever put in, but it's a Spider-Man comic.
I got you.
So usually the first appearance is the most sought after because that's the very first introduction of that person. Yeah, there's a comic book out there. I think it's number 16. I can't remember who it is, but it had I think Kang in it, and they announced that they was going to make a movie with Kang, and that comic book went from $3 to $150 overnight.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, it's just, but there's just like ball cards. You know, this goes up and down. How much for your hats?
I was selling 5 a piece earlier. How many are you interested in?
Probably these 4.
What you got on that, brother?
I could do 15.
We're beating you up here, aren't we?
Look, I live like 2 miles away. This is my in-laws, so I've sold so much stuff. They're like, go get some more.
So I'm here with Ben, Rocky Top Picker.
What's up, guys?
We just went out today, and our goal was to fill up the back of the truck, and we did a pretty good job of it. He's new. He's got one video out, but put a second one out. So you guys go and subscribe to him.
Appreciate it, guys.
Yep. So I always ask a couple questions.
Okay.
How long have you been doing this?
Off and on since eBay started, but seriously in the last 6 to 7 months.
6 to 7 months. What's your favorite thing to sell? I know that, but I don't think they know that.
Video games.
Yeah, I think that's everybody's go-to.
Easy to list, easy to ship.
Yeah, but they can be pretty particular.
They can. I mean, a lot of times you get damaged discs. I bought a machine that'll clean them, buff them, repair.
Oh, you got a resurfacer?
Resurfacer.
Oh dang! I just
and then
threw
you
something
got to
away.
test them on your game system. So,
what you go to? If you can't find anything else, and you go to a yard sale, what you go to?
Oh
goodness. Sports clothes, actually, because I do
Yeah.
pretty well in those jerseys and
Nice.
sports shirts. Hats is another big go-to.
Yeah, around here there's a lot of old hats. A lot of old hats.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. Well, we appreciate it, man.
Hey, man, appreciate you guys.
Yeah, we'll definitely be hanging out together. He's going to be going with us to the 127 sale too, so everybody in this area is going to end up going.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll rent a U-Haul if we have.
Yeah, give it to him.
Hi.
She's got stickers and cards she's going to give him for your shed.
Nice, thank you so
stickers.
much.
And some cards.
I
Yeah.
can give you some cards.
So yeah, you guys go check him out, like and subscribe.
Beans.
Show your
Appreciate
support, show your love.
Yeah.
Get out there and find some bangers, man.
Yeah. And here we go. There's his info. And check this out. This is, again, we did a pretty good job of damaging the area.
Quite a haul.
Definitely.